Final video to fix Peace EQ not working on Windows 10 and 11, because this issue stops you from using your audio equalizer properly. Are you opening Peace EQ and noticing it does not apply sound effects, fails to launch, or does not detect your audio devices? This problem happens when drivers are outdated. Peace EQ settings conflict with system audio, or audio services fail to start. Sometimes Windows updates, background apps, or missing permissions also trigger issues without warning. Many users search YouTube or social media for fixes, but most solutions feel long, confusing, and full of steps that are hard to follow. That only wastes time and adds frustration. On Rexist, I focus on simple and proven fixes, and today I will share a secret easy trick that restores Peace EQ fast. This trick works because it updates audio drivers, repairs service conflicts, and configures Peace EQ correctly instead of changing random system files. You do not need advanced PC skills, risky tools, or extra software. You just apply one smart method that works on most Windows 10 and 11 systems. After this, Peace EQ launches normally, audio effects work properly, and the app functions without errors. Many viewers on Rexist already fixed Peace EQ not working using this exact trick. If you want a clear step-by-step tutorial that anyone can follow easily, comment yes below, and I will upload it to help you fix Peace EQ not working on Windows 10 and 11 for good.